So today, we'll create an About Us section with grid and image component. First, let's create an About component. So under the Components folder, create a new file, about.jsx. Let's create a functional component. So add export default function about. Add return. Inside, add div with the class block. Then add about text for the time being. Let's import them in home.jsx. So at the top, import about from components/about. Then at the bottom, add the about tag. Check the preview and we can see the about component. Now let's add this content and image side by side. We'll use the grid component to do them. So open React Bootstrap, click Get Started, Layout, Grid. On the right side, click Responsive Grids. Since we got some spacing in between content and image, I will also use the offset value. So let me scroll down and use this first example. First, copy the import of container, row, and col and paste them at the top of about.jsx. Add the container tag. Inside, I will copy and paste this row tag. For the content column, I want this value to be 6. Then for the image column, I want the value to be 5 with offset value 1. Check the preview and we got columns for the content and image. Now let's add the content. I will copy this title and paste them in the S2 tag. Then copy this content and paste them in the P tag. For the button, let's use React Bootstrap's button component. So click Components, Buttons. Copy the import of buttons and paste them at the top. Then copy this button tag and paste them after the P tag. Change the button text to Contact Us. Check the preview and we can see our content. For the image, let's use Images component. So click Images. We'll use this third image example with border. So copy this image tag and paste them inside the col tag. In the src attribute, let's add our own image. All images are under the public folder and images folder. We need to show this about.png. So here add images / about.png. Then copy the import of the image and paste them at the top. Check the preview, and now we can see both content and image. Now let's style them. First, add some spacing at the top and bottom. So open SCSS folder, layouts and common.scss, add .block. Here add padding 100px 0. Check the preview, and now we can see some spacing. Then add margin bottom for the title and content. So add S2. Here add margin 0025px, font weight 600. Then add P. Here add margin 0025px. Check the preview. It is looking better. Finally, let's style this button. So add .btn. Let's target the button with class btn-primary. So add $.btn-primary. Here add padding 8px 30px, background $primary color. Check the preview. This time it is looking exactly the same as in the design. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a Why Choose Us section with a grid component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.